Hi everyone, this is Aftab. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you must have seen my previous videos, and if you have seen them, I'm sure you must have took some nice trading decisions last week and especially this week as well. But last week it was a very fantastic week in terms of profits. So I will be discussing a little bit of the previous episode. I will be giving you a recap, and here I want to tell you is recap in the forex market is so much important. Like whenever you try to make a new plan, what you have to do is you have to study the previous plan a little bit. Like for example, I'm looking at this gold chart right now. I will be able to predict it for the future, but before that, I have to know what my actual plan was before these two candles when price was trading right here. First of all, I will recommend you, or if you want, that's your own choice. If you want to see, you can watch this video, this one, to understand gold set up properly. Also, in this video, I discussed gold and pound and some other pairs. Then on this video, I will discuss this one tomorrow when I will be discussing pound Japanese and pound dollar. So have a look at these videos and understand what were the actual plans we had, and I'm sure you will understand the whole plan and you will be able to trade it in the future for profit. So today I'm going to discuss gold, US dollar, obviously. Then dollar CAD. It's I discussed it in the previous videos as well. So today it will be part of the session. Then dollar Swiss franc. I will be uh, analyzing it after quite some time now because it's been like uh 6 7 months since I have not traded dollar Swiss franc, and then I will be discussing euro US dollar. So 1 2 3 4, almost like 4 or 5 pairs in total I will be discussing in the New York session, and every day you will get this video. The transmission at the moment, the upload frequency is not that fluent at the moment, not that regular, uh, but I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can to help you guys. Now, this is over. Let's move on to the chart and let's see what I have told you. I'm sure you will watch the previous video, but just in case, if you just want to get a little glimpse of the previous episode, let me tell you that this was the actual plan. I had two levels on gold. The first one was 1900 as a expected resistance. Remember everyone, there is a big difference in expected resistance or tested resistance, right? So this time the resistance was supposed to hit, but it did not. So it was possible, but that did not happen, and I was sure enough, if you watch my previous video, the one that I just have shown you, if you watch that, you will clearly understand the gold trading plan, which is at the moment on a higher time frame, is pointing towards 1745. But at the moment, uh, that is far enough, I guess, maybe till March, maybe till next month. But let's see. This month, I still see there is a very good plan. First of all, let me tell you that those of you who took sell trades on the basis of my videos, obviously, I don't encourage anyone to trade on the real. So, uh, if you are for demo purposes, maybe you are holding a sell position from there. Uh, I think you can close half of the position and let the rest of the position run towards 1812, and maybe the rest of the position will be closed at around 25% of the rest of the position will be closed near 1812. So let's see, till 1812 I'm so sure it's going to retest. On the daily time frame there is a moving average near 1846, but that's not a big deal, right? So this is the goal. I guess if you took this much profit, it is almost like 1000 pips of profit. So I'm sure if you are following me regularly, you must have made at least some profits. Now, the actual part begins, right? This is what I discussed previously. Now, let's have a look at the present market and let's see what we can find. Since if you are curious about this 1890 level, that was nothing but just a weekly low right here. So I marked it and I said that this is now my range, but obviously I was trading it to the sell side. If you watch my previous episodes, you will clearly understand, right? Because, and one more thing, this is like a very nice resistance zone, so it was supposed to hold the market, but it did not. And I also have told you that not to buy near 1890, right? So one thing, according to the weekly time frame, it is like like for sure it's showing me this downward move. When I draw these plans on my chart, when I restart the computer, all of these drawings are gone. So if any one of you know the exact technique how to resolve this issue, it will make my life too easy. So when on the weekly I'm talking right now, when it reaches 1745, from there, uh, it will be pointing towards 2118, right? But this is a very, very long-term plan. So let me delete this line as well, and let me delete this Fibonacci as well. If this happens, this will be the pattern, remember. Oops, it's red. Don't get bored. I will be giving you some nice trading opportunities and plans as an intraday trader as well. So, but obviously, it's so much important to understand the bigger picture of the market. Remember, since 2016, I'm focusing on this bigger image of the market. So, this is a very nice and beautiful sort of pattern. I will be so lucky if I can get this trade. I will never miss it. I will put a pending order right here. Maybe I will add a position right here on the 4 hour time frame. But at the moment, it is in a clear sell. Okay, now move on to the daily. Since I have to discuss 5 pairs today, so now just ignore this triangle and let's focus on the daily. On the daily, in my last episode, there was one other level, right? And that was 1812, I guess. Let me show you. Yes, 1814 was the level, right? So no doubt, it is in a clear sell, but at this particular price, I will not suggest anyone to take a sell trade. Uh, there was one other trade opportunity that I gave in the previous episodes to the audience subscribers, and that was to partially close their trades near 1904. here at this support, and then the breakout happened. So one good opportunity right here as a seller can be, luckily, if the market go up there. Okay, I'm not saying it's going up there, but luckily if the market go up towards 1921 like this, I will be looking for a sell trade. So this is the plan for gold, and that will put gold into, if we see that on the lower time frames, we will get sort of a pattern inside a pattern, right? Like in Forex, there will be big patterns, smaller patterns, even tiny patterns as well. So this is full of structures, right? When I will be teaching you the structures, I will be covering up these parts in details, these parts or these topics, whatever you call it. So 1814 it will be pointing down, but first I will be lucky enough if the price go up there and then. So this is my actual plan, okay? Now to the intraday traders. Let's say you want to earn 50-60 pips quickly. For that, you can take a buy, a very nice buy, but that will be an intraday buy if there is a very big if. Okay, don't blindly trade. You will only buy if the current market go up, another candle take retest of this support at 1879 somewhere, then you can, like, this will be your whole trading range towards 1921. But even if you get 100 200 pips from this move, I think that's more than enough. But most traders, the beginners especially, they don't understand these concepts. Let's suppose if the market continue its downward rally and you want to short it, well, you can, but I think that will be way too risky. So this is the goal. Currently, if I sum up everything and if I show you the bigger picture and the smaller picture and everything, at the moment it is pointing towards 1814, right? So from there, if you are holding the position, it is around 1380 pips. This is a very huge amount of profit, right? So I again request you to watch the previous videos, okay? Because I spent all of this time to let you understand my plans. So if you follow them and we follow them together, we make money together, okay? And for you especially, I want you guys to learn the technique that I'm using, right? And this technique is working since 2016. All of my videos are there on my channel. Just have a look at it. This strategy will work everywhere or on any chart, because in the upcoming episodes there is a big list in front of me right here in which I will be discussing indices as well, along with some one other pair that I have not analyzed since 2016. I have not, and that is the dollar Chinese. Okay, so stay with me. A lot of more content is being in the process and will be uploaded to the channel as soon as it's ready. Move on to the dollar CAD. Remember what I have told you in the previous episode. I'm not exactly sure if that episode was this one or this one, but check it out. Here I have discussed, and make sure to check it out. What I have told you is there were two legs pointing down. Okay, two legs pointing down, one this one, and what I have told you is that market is going to approach 1.3518. So it did approach that approximately, yes. It fell down a little bit. It at this day on 31st January, it tried to push up, then it came down. Everyone was like bulk selling right here. And I have clearly told you this is a support zone. Market has to go back up, take a retest near 1.35. Till then, gold will complete its 1812 move, and then both will rally. And same is going to happen right here. So dollar CAD, let's see. Let me see. This is the daily. So let's see how the weekly candle closed. One thing I want to let you know is this weekly candle should close above 1.3510, and if that happens it will give us some good nice profits. At the moment, let's find out some good tradable opportunity right here on the 4 hour. So obviously on the 4 hour, if you take a buy right here, doesn't make any sense. Okay, don't take any buy right here. Well, I think I will be staying neutral about it till tomorrow. Okay, what is next? Gold is done, dollar CAD is done, neutral. Okay, let me write it down. Today is 7th February, so neutral. Okay, and let's make its color yellow. So I'm neutral on it on 7th February and maybe tomorrow as well, because I need some information. Okay, neutral or a sell, a very quick type of sell near 1.3512, a quick one around 65 70 pips, and that's it. That's enough. So give me 2 days. There is no bigger plan, okay, other than this 150 60 pips opportunity. Dollar yen, finally a breakout of the channel happened, and what I have told you in the previous episodes, you will know. What I have told you is that this is a very key level, because if we, let's say, if market closed below this, then it was supposed to reach 117, but it did not. It reverses. So a very nice buy trade has just triggered. On the daily is a buy, on the weekly is a buy, on the daily it's at the moment at a sell. This is a little bit controversial right here. Okay, this candle closed green, a breakout, then a low volume candle, and then this thing. So nothing on the daily, and since the channel is broken, so I think I should delete it now. I hope you must have traded this one with 800 pips of take profit. That's too much. Well, I think on this one, I'm still looking for 134.26 to close my buy deals. 50% of them has already been closed, and the rest, let's see. Let's have a look at the H4. Well, yes, I think stay neutral till tomorrow about it. This is dollar Swiss franc. I need to discuss Euro US dollar first. Let's see if you took any sell trade on this one because my drawings are there. Yes, exactly. Just have a look at this. Market is exactly at 61.8% retracement. So this is the 4 hour. Let's see the daily. It is clearly pointing towards 1.0617, but I think don't take a buy trade. I don't suggest it for a buy trade at this particular moment because I see it coming down towards 1.03. It can come down again. So any sell opportunity, any close below will be very nice. If you want to take a quick type of trade with 50 pips of stop loss and then that will be fine. If you want to take a sell trade, then I will recommend 1.09. At 1.09, you can take a very nice sell trade, and I'm sure if you take a buy trade, which is not recommended, okay? But if you want, I cannot stop you. The ideal trade setup will be a sell near 1.0919 or a sell on the breakout. If you want to take a buy, let's see if you want to take a buy right now, today, tomorrow, then I think for some quick profits, no doubt this is a very good zone. 50-60 pips for a day trader, that's perfectly fine, right? Other than that, it's coming straight down, so I will be focusing on some sell opportunities as a long term. Every one of you know that I am a long term trader, and if I hold a position from here, I will close it at least 1.045 I'm looking for. So let's see this monthly candle, and I will be discussing these setups in detail in the future. So Euro US dollar, I think is coming down, and if you can find even some good opportunities on the lower time frame to the sell side, you can focus on that. Uh, on the intraday level, I will recommend if you can buy, yes, okay, you can buy till 1.09. Take two trades. Even if you lose one, the other one will give you more profit. So all of your loss from the first trade will be covered in. You will be in profit for the second lot. So on the sorry, on the 15-minute, I see at the moment like around 50 pips of opportunity. So if by then, if you are watching this video and the market is here, you can give it a try with around like a 50 pips of stop loss. So nothing a big, not a big deal. Okay, here it is. Sorry, actually, here is the webcam and the screen is behind that. So I was looking which pair I'm going to discuss next, and that is the dollar Swiss franc. As I have told you, I have not traded it in like a year or so. So I will be analyzing it, but before that, let me quickly check the length of the video. Oh, it's already 23 minutes. Let me quickly wind up the session. Maybe in tomorrow's episode, uh, let's see. Well, one thing is for sure, it's showing me this move right towards 0.9736. Okay, let me highlight this area, and hopefully I'm hoping that whenever I restart my computer, this problem will be resolved because I don't want to lose these drawings, but they are so much important to me. So on the weekly, it's going up. We have a very nice rejection candle as well. I have identified a trading range right here. Nice trading range. And seems like till June, or maybe unless I get a break below or a close above, this will be my range and I will be trading in it. And I will recommend if you can follow me, you can. On the daily, things are very choppy. I will need some more data to understand it in detail. I will study it, and maybe tomorrow I will be discussing it in detail. At the moment, it's just showing me a bullish move towards 0.9736 as a long-term trader. As a daily trader, day trader, nothing. As an H4 trader, let's see. Well, I think if you can take a buy, it will be the best buy right here. At the moment, if the market drops towards 0.949, again, I hope I don't want to miss these drawings. If any one of you know any technique to let them stay on my chart forever, that will be so nice. So this is a nice trading opportunity right here. And if we get a break below from this level, you can take a sell trade, but obviously I will not be recommending any sell, because look at this weekly candle. Oops, it's hidden behind the drawings. Look at these weekly candles. Do you think I should take a buy? Obviously not. I will also not recommend you to take any buy trade. Sorry, any sell trade. I will not take a sell trade right here, and I will not recommend you to take a sell trade. Obviously, buy trade will be very nice right here with just around, let's see how much of stop loss. With just around 165 to 200 pips of stop loss, you can easily generate around 500 pips of profit, around 500, 256 initially, and then 633 in total. So I think this is enough for today. Every day I will be discussing these pairs tomorrow at the same time, and other pairs in another video at a different time. So make sure to follow my channel, click the bell icon, and if you have any suggestion or feedback, do let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to reach me, my WhatsApp number is given in the description. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I hope if we are together, we will be able to make good and nice trading decisions and profits as well. So stay with the channel, stay with me. I'm your host Aftab, signing off right now. I'll see you next time, most probably late night tonight right here. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.